Straight to the point, I'll show you how to add watermarks to multiple photos with different orientations all at once using GIMP. So let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome to D22 channel. My name is Doudou and just a quick statement before we dive in. If this is your first time to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that little button down there on the corner of the video and give it a thumbs up. This would mean a lot to me. If you are into Photoshop, I've already covered the same topic earlier using Photoshop CC latest version. If you want to have a look, check it from this link here or from the link below in the description. I'll be working from my Windows 10 device. I'm using GIMP 2.10 latest version as of today. And just for those who don't know, briefly, GIMP is absolutely a free open source image editor that rivals with Photoshop. You can download it directly from GIMP website and it's available for Linux, Windows and macOS. So let's begin. In order to be able to edit a batch of images at a time, we will be installing this cool plugin that will allow us to just do that. I will show you shortly what I'm talking about. This plugin name is Batch Image Manipulation or BIMP. And to get that, just go to this website here. It is also mentioned in the description below the video, or you can Google it by typing BIMP, and it will bring you here to the download page. Please note that this version here is only for GIMP 2.8 and newer. If you have older version of GIMP, go ahead and check BIMP version 1.18. Same goes for me, since I'm using GIMP 2.10, I need a newer version, which is available from here. Go ahead, open it. And then click on this link here to download the XEF installation file. You don't have to do anything else, it's like any other installation process, just follow the instructions. Once installed, you will see the name added to the file menu, Batch Image Manipulation, just like this. Go ahead and make sure you first quit GIMP and launch it again. Once open it, check from file and voila, we got our plugin installed and now ready to batch watermark our images. First step first, let's take a look at our logo. Open it from here, and the reason why is that we want to make sure that our logo is perfectly set, with a transparent background and not too big, because we need it to fit our images. In my case, this logo is 800 by 800 pixel, which is too big to place as a watermark. Therefore, I need to resize it to 150 by 150, which is quite enough. Save it or export it as a PNG format in case you want to keep the original logo. Now that we have our watermark logo ready, let's launch our cool plugin. To start watermarking, go ahead to File, click on Batch Image Manipulation, and there it is. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add a watermark. So click Add button right here. There is a feature that says Add Watermark. Click it. You can actually use a normal text watermark such as copyright by X person or you name it. You can change the font, size and the color. You can reduce also opacity down to 50% so you can have a transparency. Or you have the option here of doing an image watermark, and that's what I want to do. So go ahead and check that. Then open your file and look at your PNG logo, hit open. Now you can actually reduce the size of your logo to a percentage of its original size. But since I have already resized my logo to 150 pixel, I don't need to do this again. It's already smaller. Next, you can position your image however you want. You can do top left, top right. I'm gonna place mine on bottom right. I guess that's the standard location, right? And to keep my logo from being aligned to image edges, I'm gonna add over here a distance to edge of 30 pixel. Sounds reasonable distance for me. Again, this will depend on the size of the image. Then go ahead and click OK. So now that my settings are ready, next thing is to locate our images. You can add single images if you want, but let's select this folder and hit Add. This will upload all images in that folder. Then we need to define an output folder where all watermarked images will be saved. So what I recommend doing is to create a new folder based on your batch image process. Go ahead and select that as an output folder. Now we are ready to launch this manipulation process. Just go ahead and hit the apply button. Now you see a loading bar here that will show you the manipulation process. Alright, all images are done being watermarked with 0 errors. Now, go ahead and click close. Then head to that folder you just assigned as an output and open those images to check the result. Here you see our PNG logo applied nicely to each image, with this nice distance from edges just as our settings. And before I close GIMP, it just came to my mind that we can actually save our manipulation settings as a preset for later use. This will make your next watermark task easier and faster. Let's open again our plugin and add a watermark manipulation. Set our logo and add distance same we did earlier. Once done, click back add button right here. Then save this set. Define a location to save it to and give it a name. So next time when you are about to watermark, all you have to do is open the plugin, click add and then load the set. Find previously saved preset and hit open. Here we go. As you can see, all the settings are here. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions related to this tutorial again or need help, go ahead, just drop your comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. Hope you guys really liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It does a lot good for me. Once again, thank you guys for watching. My name is Dudu and I will see you on my next tips and tricks video. Cheers.